to you, son. What is it?
What up, Donnie?
Hey, that's where people move change, nigga.
Rain, go away.
Rain, nigga, never know. Ayy.
Rain, go away. Another day.
It's the rain, doggy. Doggy bone, but you already know shit gon' rain in this fucking world though. Niggas hell in this bitch, you gotta keep it still a bitch, cause they're coming from the gutter bitch and coming from the cutters bitch. They got the Draco. I might hurt that again, them jerking. You know how this shit get, little bitch. Yeah, I'm not here fucking trapping, bitch. I gotta get the meal ticket again. I heard living, bitch. I got a lot of people depending on me to make a way. So I'ma make a way. And with this fucking missing, man, it's like it's trapping shit. Gotta get be consistent.
You gotta keep going. What up, Donnie?
Reach out, my nigga. Gotta give you a little push, nigga. Motivating versus speaker. But I ain't tryna be no goddamn preacher. Real shit, doggy. I tell a bitch what it is. I don't give a fuck what you gon' do. Cause you gon' do the shit with me, without me. So it don't really matter. So I'ma keep it pushing. I guess it's this my healing face and shit. Gotta stay on the pivot shit. Gotta watch it with the motherfucking snake song. Fake song that shakes. You know that how this shit get. You gotta pay attention, bitch. And when it fucking rains, bitch, rainy.
What up, Donnie?
Go away.
Rain, come another day. Rain, come another day. When the fucking rains, it pours, rain, come another day.